Hello, hello, hello. Mega love shout out everyone. Rose the Melon Vlog here. I hope everybody's doing well. Well. Napanood ko si Kuya Bal, kay Daddy Frankie. Well. Good afternoon or good evening everyone. Or good morning wherever we are, saan man sulok ng mundo. First of all, we thank God kasi okay naman tayo. We are okay. Last 2 days I don't have a voice and I have a little bit coughing, but now thanks God okay na. Pwede na naman tayo magngangaw-ngaw. And I would like also to shout out my youngest son in the Philippines. Hi Bunso, hi anak Chad, Ingo, sana okay ka lang dyan. Okay lang ako, huwag kang mag-alala. And sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog, sana magpagaling kasi sana okay ka na. At laging mag-ingat sa sarili, mag-vitamins at kumain ng healthy foods, matulog ng maaga, huwag masyado magpupuyat. Ayun lang. I would like to thank all of you guys who came or visits my live today, my silent live. Thank you, adding Love Travel Music and adding Talpa Kicks. Thank you sa pag-play nyo sa aking mga playlist. Maraming salamat adding ko. At mahaba pang hahabulin ko. 3K ang habulin ko. Kailangan ko sana na maabot yung 3K, kompleto ang 4K before July. Kasi yon ang final sa akin ni Lolo Whitey. Ay nako, sumakit talagang ulo ko. Ngayon nag-iingat na ako, hindi na ako nagpapatugtog ng kung ano-ano, ganito na lang, hindi na lang kanta-kanta. And of course, thank you Kabsat Onyo all the way from Baguio City. Thank you Kabsat sa support mo lagi sa akin. Maraming salamat. Sisikoy Liabi, thank you Sisikoy. And syempre ikaw din ito, Lia DeSantis, thank you Sisikoy sa support. And of course ang napakagwapong coach sa Moing TV, thank you din sa support. Pasensya na hindi ako nakakadalaw sa mga anyuta. Busy ako. Ading Nels TV. Shout out Ading Nels TV at sa buong family mo, sa misis mo. Shout out ading ko. Maraming salamat Ading Nels TV. Mama. Sisikoy Susana G. Thank you Sisikoy Susana G sa support. And Sisikoy Laren Directo, thank you Sisikoy Laren Directo. Jonatas El Machado, thank you sir. Jonatas El Machado. Hola, muchos gracias. I shout out also to Yadav Akas, Boy 18, yes. I would like again to talk to you. Don't say anything in my live because my boyfriend gonna read this, and that's a big problem for you. I have a boyfriend already and I'm engaged, and I will get married after 4 years. So maybe you are joking, but don't joke some I don't like words that make me mad. If you want to stay with me, in my channel, just friends, and be friends, and let's support each other. This is social media. So that's it. Adab Akas. Yes, Adab Akas, boy 18 year young, and I have already a boyfriend, and he's a high profile. Yes, he's a high profile, and don't say anything when you're visiting my life, because he was watching. He's always watching that. Yadav Akas boy, thank you. And of course, shout out to all of you guys. Shout out to Sis Kuya Nana, ni YTC. Shout out Sis Kuya Job Sinaway. Shout out Kabsat Tiwala ng TV. Shout out Bagyo Blessed Day. Shout out Sisi Pretty Lady Tulipa Tulip. Shout out, I miss you Sisi Koy. At yun lang, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pag-support sa akin, lalo na sa mga nagpi-play ng aking videos, si Sisi Koy Nana ni YTC, at saka si Ading Talpa Kicks, and Ading Love Travel Music. Hi TY Best, shout out TY Best. Maybe sometimes you busy also. Yeah. And that's it. No, madikman ibaga nga daw, no bukit. Hindi ako hihintuan nun na message ng kung ano-ano yung ano na yan, itik. Ang taas tingin niya sa sarili niya. Diyos ko, patawarin ako ni Lord. Pagka malapit lang yan sa akin, delikadong igagaya ko sa mga ginawa ko sa sadyanak ko. Alam niyo ba ang ginawa ko sa sadya? Kumindat-kindat lang. Nasa lubong ko yan. Buti malayo ka. Ikaw yakas Adam 18. Yakas Adam boy 18, no? Pag malapit ka lang, tanggal ng mga 18 mo sa akin. I know maybe you're joking, but I don't like that words. Yes, I don't like that words that I miss you, I love you. Nakakadaring pakinggan na. Yung ex ko nga, pag mag-I love you, nagagalit na ako, ikaw pa. Yes, and that's it. Okay, thank you everyone. Especially to those who always supporting my small YouTube channel, and to those who's watching my simple videos. I cannot mention already all your name, but to all of you guys, to all my subscribers, supporters in my channel, thank you. And to those who did not subscribe yet, please subscribe me, Rose the Melon Vlog. Thank you and God bless. Rose the Melon Vlog, all the way from Dubai, United Arab.